Is Quicken Classic, the OG personal finance software, still relevant in today's world of sleek apps and cloud-based solutions, or is it a relic of the past best left forgotten? Let's dive into Quicken Classic. Starting with its core features, you've got your standard account tracking, allowing you to monitor your checking, savings, credit cards, and even investment accounts, all in one place. Manually inputting transactions is the name of the game here. Budgeting is another key area. Quicken Classic lets you set budgets for different categories and track your spending against those targets. Don't expect any fancy AI-powered insights here. It's all about manual control and good old-fashioned discipline. Reporting capabilities are decent, providing a range of standard reports to help you understand your financial situation. You can generate income and expense statements, track your net worth, and even prepare for tax season. Now, let's talk pricing. One of the biggest advantages of Quicken Classic is that it's a one-time purchase. Unlike the subscription models of many modern alternatives, you pay once and own it forever or until your computer dies. But how does it stack up against newer finance tools? Well, the user interface feels dated, and the lack of automatic transaction syncing is a major drawback. Modern apps offer seamless connectivity to your bank accounts, automatically importing transactions and providing real-time updates. Ultimately, Quicken Classic is a viable option only if you value complete control over your data, prefer a one-time purchase, and don't mind the manual effort required to keep things up to date. So, should you still use Quicken Classic? It depends on your needs and preferences. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what your favorite personal finance tool is.